Hi garden friends. So I'm out here with this wooden box that I just put together a few days ago with some wood glue and nails, and I didn't even bother to sand it down. So it's like super rustic because I just couldn't wait to like make an arrangement in it because I think my favorite arrangements ever are in wooden planters. Succulents and wooden planters look amazing together, and I'll show you the plants that I have. I have an Echeveria Agavoides with the super red tips on it because it's stressed. It's like a light green. Very beautiful plant. Dense rosette on this one. Gorgeous. I also have good old Jade, and I have 3 little stacks of them right here. Also stressed. You can see how red they are, the margins. And it's like almost a whole leaf. I also have, let's see, Crassula Tom Thumb. Beautiful miniature Crassula that grow in little bunches. Super pretty when stressed. Oh, look at that. Check it out. Wow. So I have 2 little bunches here. 2 Pachyveria little jewels. Another dense rosette, compact. Oh, when they turn colors, this one is nice and green. It's not getting any direct sun. They turn like purple. They're super pretty. I have 2 of them. I have 3 awesome. These are Faucaria Tigrina, I believe, and tiger jaws, also known as tiger jaws. Look at that. True weirdo here. If you don't have this plant in your garden, oh, you just must hunt for it and buy it. They bloom beautiful yellow flowers. Gorgeous. This one is a Graptoveria Bashful. It's kind of wet, but yes, it's also little red, super stressed. Check that out. Prolific plant. Love them. And Echeveria Colorata. So this is a Colorata. Sorry if I mumbled there. Look at the tips on that. They look almost deadly, but they're super soft to the touch. Another tight rosette. Beautiful. Okay, so let's see. How am I going to get all of these in this box? I'm going to try my best. So I will start with the Crassula Tom's Thumb. And let's see, I will do, okay, so this bunch is coming apart. So I'm going to be very careful. I'm kind of towards the back corner there. I'm going to nestle that one in there because it's taller. And this little bunch here, let's see, I'm going to put it together. Yeah, just like that. Put it right under it. Okay, just like that, and I'm going to just anchor it with some soil. Ooh, okay, good. It's a good start. All right, so now let's see. I'm going to move forward with the Tigrina. So the tiger jaw here, let's see. I'm going to go for the bigger one. And I'm going to nestle it. I'm going to grab my knitting needle, make a deeper hole in there. So it's got nice roots on it. I'm going to tuck it right in. This is a low grower plant, this tiger jaw, so they just grow low and wide. So I think it would look nice with the taller succulent. And let's see, another one I'm going to start mixing it up here. I'll do a little jewel there. I'll do another Tigrina across from it. Gonna make a bigger well there. Nestle it in with the soil. And let's see. So that one there. So this one here, and then I have another little jewel, and I'll put it there. Okay, that'll be the plan. I'm gonna shift some soil here. I'll be needing more soil. I always feel like I have enough soil, and I never have enough soil. Okay, gonna get all those roots in there. Tuck them in, bury them. I'm gonna kind of, there, it's kind of hiding. Yeah, I'm gonna poke them out a little more. Okay, good. And now I'll put another little jewel here. Okay, not bad. Don't like this hole there. I really don't like it. Maybe I'll tuck in a jade, but a jade will grow nice and tall. I might just leave that hole there. I'm gonna grab more soil here. Now I'm gonna go for, I think this one would look good there. So is it this one or this one? Oh, that Bashful looks really good with the texture of the little jewel and the tiger jaw. So I'm gonna put that there for sure. I'm gonna tuck some soil under this Pachyveria little jewel because it wants to like come down here, come down. All right, gonna lift it up with some soil. All right, now for that Bashful. Oh man, okay, so what way do I want to put it? So kind of like that. Nestle it down. Oh, beautiful, it's so cute. I love how chubby their leaves are and how round their rosettes are. Just love them. I used to have so many. I don't have that many anymore. Okay. Now I'm gonna work the jade in this corner since it grows tall. So I like to plant my tall plants towards the back. Okay, so I'm gonna get the bigger one here, medium, and then the smaller one. I'm gonna tuck those in right in there. Gonna shift it a little so it could be more towards the corner. Okay, okay. Is that good? That's good. Okay, so I still have this much space here. And I only have 2 more plants, but did I put those away? No. I do have these panda plants. And these are Kalanchoes. Beautiful, fuzzy. It's like dotted little brown margins. Oh, they're so pretty. I love them. Maybe I can put the smaller one here. I mean, that's a good match with the colors. I had these extra ones, but didn't think I could fit them in, so I think I will. And hopefully, maybe I should shift this Tigrina over. Uh-oh, here I go again. Crap. Starting to, second guess myself. Okay. It's because I have all this space here. I'm gonna move this Tigrina over here. And I'll put the Panda plants in the back. And then I'll have these two to work with. And where will I put those? Okay, so this one more towards the front. Nestle that one in. I'm gonna add more soil, the back there. I'm gonna add maybe 2 of them. So I'll add that one there. And I'll add another small one here. I usually don't like to only have 2 plants unless they're like nice, unless they're like separated like that. But when they're like right side by side, I like to like put them together as 3, not 2. I don't know if I'm making sense here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just trying to make this work. Okay. There we go. Got those in. Okay. And these tend to grow tall, the Panda plants, so it'll be good that they're in the back, or that they worked out. And I was able to plant them in the back, or towards the back. Okay, perfect, okay. And now, maybe, I really wanted to get this Colorata in. So like right there. There, okay. I'm gonna shift this Pachyveria. It's bothering me. I feel that it's too, okay. There's like too much space there. Can still fit this one in, and it'll match perfectly in there. Okay, oh yeah, that looks beautiful in there. That's beautiful, totally. And I'm still messing with this corner here. I kind of don't like that corner. I don't. Oh well. Now I'm gonna go for my Colorata. And I think I'm just gonna put this one right there. Okay, so that's gonna work out. And the last Panda plant right here. Maybe like that. Cool. And maybe spread out my Colorata a little more. Gonna push in that soil. Okay. Looks like this arrangement is done. I'm gonna dust it off. That is beautiful. Oops. Okay. Now for some stones. It's really going to complete the look. I'm gonna go for the smaller ones. Just gonna press them in slowly but surely. My favorite part is this part. It relaxes me. Don't know why, but it does. So I keep on doing it. All right, so I'm gonna poke some through here, and these little holes there, they need it the most, I think. Some in the back there. I like to use the stones because I do get asked this question a lot. Why do I use the stones? Do I use the stones for like a reason? And it's really just to cover the soil. I don't like the look of just the soil kind of just hanging out and showing. Keeps the perlite from floating away. So that serves a purpose. But I just think it looks more pretty. Okay, some in here for sure. Let's see, any smaller ones. And I'm almost done here. This was fun. I love these boxes. I'm gonna get better at making them. I might make a video on it. Be a cool video. How to make a wooden box. I think so. All right, so the last stones here. And this arrangement, or this video, is coming to an end. If you're still watching, hey, thanks. Appreciate your time. I just hope that, it benefits you too, that they're fun to watch, at least. And that I inspire you to go outside. Or to go to a nursery and buy some succulents. Or any type of plant, actually. Grow a veggie garden. Anything. So that back part was missing some stones, so I went ahead and filled it in. But this is basically done. That's cute. I can hold it. It's awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next arrangement. Thank you.